Welcome back to the channel. We made our huge move from Michigan down to San Antonio, Texas. And in this video is part one of building the blue garage and making it come to life, starting with the paint. So as you can see behind me, I'm taping the perimeter of the walls in order to safely paint the ceiling a dark Armada blue. All links will be down below. So if you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. It helps the channel grow. But most of all, enjoy. Okay, so just changed into some crappy clothes. Gonna start painting. Got everything taped up. Got the lights and all the trim pulled down, and we are ready to go. I'm gonna pass off the camera to Cadence. All right, so we're gonna go with the Armada blue in the Valspar, so I don't have to paint and prime. It's just gonna be 1 to 2 coats of the Valspar paint.
Welcome to the blue garage. We got this beautiful blue here. And all that blue is going on the ceiling. And hopefully it will work out.
So as you can see, mistakes were made. The builders didn't sand down the tape on the drywall, so you could see the seams after that first coat of the blue dried. So we sanded everything down, primered, and here goes all over again. All right, guys, I'm gonna put on my monkey suit here and get to painting. So as you guys see, I did 2 layers of tape. If I was smarter, I would have got thicker tape or wider tape to begin with. It would have saved me some time, but is what it is. I made sure I have a fine line the entire way across, and I'm ready to start taping around or painting around the edges while my wife rolls. And let's go. Let's get the show on the road. Was coat number 1. Let me know what you guys think of the color. I know you don't know what my final vision is. I haven't revealed that yet, but let me know. Kind of looks like the garage is upside down, like that should be the color of the floor. Day 2, technically took the day off yesterday. We were at Schlitterbahn, a water park, my daughter and I, having a blast. So day 2, as you can see, second coat has already started going on, thanks to my lovely wife, Rachel. So we are gonna be looking good, guys. Let me know what you guys think about that color. Coat complete. I think it looks pretty good. It's drying nice and dark like I intended. Let me open up the garage door because it feels perfect whenever the door is open. But whenever it's closed, holy heck, it's on here. But yeah, second coat is done, guys. We'll see if I need to do a third or not. Also, look at this, check this out. Am I official or what? Got that Texas plate, got a custom one coming in. So waiting on that. Should take 3 to 4 weeks, but just blue garage is coming together officially. It's nice to actually have the garage, guys. All right, I'll be back for third coat potentially, or touching up these walls. I'm gonna have to primer that and a couple other areas. Again, no big deal, but I will be starting the walls here hopefully soon. One more coat on the ceiling, maybe later tonight or early tomorrow. We'll see, but be back in a bit. So part one is done. We have the installation of the garage door, the 8500W LiftMaster opener, my beautiful Husky blue toolbox, just came across that randomly at Home Depot, all done. Now what I'm gonna do is a quick little time-lapse video, a little satisfying, cover up all these receptacles and put a little bit of the finishing touches on the walls. Now, part one of the garage is fixed. Part two will include trim, and we'll see, maybe getting to the floors. So here's a little time-lapse video, putting on some of the outlet covers and or receptacle plates, I should say, and then you know, closing out. So tune in next time for part two. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button, help out the channel, and I'll see you next time.